I'm Steve Skog. I'm the president of Sterling Industrial Refrigeration. Before Cogent came, we were, I would say, a typical startup company that started up 20 years ago. We kind of accounting-wise did things the way that we'd done them in the past. We weren't too experienced at that. Budgeting didn't exist. We did price jobs and we were pretty good at that. The guys from Cogent came and helped us to realize where we were at and things that we could do to improve ourselves and hopefully be able to grow the company to the next level. The original call that we received kind of opened the door. I believe it was Rob that called, and he had a easy way about him, and he had some ideas that really fit well with where we were at. From there we went to a sales fellow that came here in person, and he had some ideas about things that we could do differently. He exposed some things that were opportunities for us to grow, and we decided that it would be a good choice to move forward. Cogent came with a very professional attitude, and were easy to work with, I think, was the biggest thing. I mean, obviously they're professionals at what they do, and they knew a lot of things that we had never been exposed to before, and some things that we had been exposed to that we'd kind of let slide off the table. We realized that we had a liability with all of the trucks that we have on the road, and so we've talked about how to reorganize the company and move some of the assets into a separate company. The tax solutions that they suggested to us also turned out to be something that our accountants were missing in the past, so we've gone back and recovered some taxes that we shouldn't have paid in the first place, so that was a good thing. The consultant that came from Cogent, Rich, did a really good job of getting to know everyone in the company and having a better feel for what it is that we do and how we do it. And I think that the way that he went around and talked with people, it made them buy into what they were doing and helped him to realize what they were doing. So it was a win-win situation. So one of the things that Cogent did a really good job with was able to explain things to us clearly and demonstrate them and apply them, and we took those things and put them into action, and it's had a positive impact on all the employees. Our job descriptions were non-existent before Cogent came, and we've developed job descriptions and a method for creating job descriptions for new employees as we add to our staff. I'm looking forward to being able to apply all the things that we've learned. We've developed a budget, which we didn't have before, and it was pretty incredible how close the budget actually came to where we were at. We were surprised by that. We've also improved our project management, that we have weekly meetings to discuss where our projects are at and how projects are going, where sales are at, how our service department is doing, that we're all communicating more than we used to. I think that the weekly meetings that we have now help to keep everybody up to speed on where we're at and what position projects are in, what position new orders are in. I would say if there was a company that was on the fence and they couldn't decide whether it was a good thing or a bad thing, that the guarantee that Cogent gives you that you'll make double your money back is too good of a deal to pass up.